So do you really need a protein mixer in a bottle? Cardless, wireless, protein mixer, mix on the go, anywhere. Why do we need it? Is it expensive? Is it worth it? And we're going to talk about this is the VOLTRX or VOLTRX. And I had about a week right now. I'm going to give you guys an honest review. So far, I can't complain. It's pretty good. Comes in this awesome box. This video was not sponsored by this company. I actually pay for this shit. So, needed one and didn't realize how handy a protein mixer could be. So if you're like me, old school, and you had those old one you were shaking, and then sometimes it still don't mix properly because you're too cheap, you didn't want to buy a mixer. All right, so that's me. This is not my first electric mixer bottle. I did had a couple different brands before. This one here had good reviews on Amazon, TikTok, Facebook, wherever social media I was seeing good things about it. So there's only one downfall that I had with it so far. I'm gonna let you guys know. But so far it's good. The company did a good job. On the box itself, it literally tells you everything how to use the product. So the thing about a protein mixer, when you finish from the gym, you toss it in here and all you do, you push that button right there. You see that? And it mixes easily. And this one has the lights. It has the lights around to tell you how much battery life is left on it. It doesn't make a loud noise, and it could mix perfectly. I did 2 scoops of protein, and it makes really good. It's easy to clean and stuff. And then what do you want to do? You could take out the bottom piece and wash this bottle however you want. It comes with a nice cap. It's a good quality a protein mixer, really good quality. It's powerful enough to mix protein, but heavy dude like hardcore smoothie and stuff like that, I don't think so. It's not that powerful for stuff like that, but you could mix like amino, creatine, and protein supplement and stuff like that. I highly recommend. It does work good. And listen, for price and details, check in the description box below. Now I'm going to mix up a protein and show you guys, and then I'm going to tell you my one downfall about this product. So while I got here is the Mutant Pro. Listen, you want to get your hand on some good protein, check in the description box. I'll leave a code for you guys. So we're going to do 1 full scoop right now. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on to show you guys how this thing makes pretty good. We're going to dump in 1 scoop. I already had 2 scoop earlier, but I could never have enough protein, right? So we're mixing it up. If you push the button once, it spins and mixes for like 30 seconds, and then it shuts off automatically. I think if you tapped it twice, you could mix more longer. And what you could do while that mixing, you just screw it on like this. And you could take this on the go. If you're going to the gym, you could take it, like it shuts off by itself. So that's pretty cool. That's neat. And I gotta tell you, everything's mixed perfect in here. I'm gonna show you. And it has, you could measure your water on that way not confused about anything. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's literally like there's no lumps or anything. It mixes really good. So I don't know about you guys, but when you mix it in the protein mixer, I like it. It's not too much foamy on the top, and it's no like lumps and clumps inside, and it tastes better to me. Like I did it with my blender, my powerful electric blender, and it was this much foam on the top. And when I'm drinking it, it's like a lot of bubble going in me. It's gas or whatever and stuff. So I wasn't a fan of mixing it with the blender. Except if I'm doing a mass protein smoothie with oats and all that, then I mix with that. But good thing about this, it's lightweight. It's easy to carry. It's charged. All right, my downfall, before I forgot to tell you guys. Everything about it I love. The price is good. It's always on sale on Amazon. So I did bought it for sale. The company looks pretty good. It's a great quality. But the only thing I'm not a fan of is the charger. So this is the charger right here. Listen, it's a good quality charger. The wire and everything good. My downfall is they did not send a headpiece in case you want to plug it in somewhere. And the downfall is that I don't think it's long enough. The charger, especially if you don't have outlets like handy, and even like the standard outlets is about what, 12 inch or 14 inch or something. This thing is probably what, 10 inch or something like that. So the only problem is if you want to plug in the whole bottle, your bottle will be hanging, or you have to lose this part out. And then what do you do right here? You could plug it in. There's an adapter right here, which is good to cover it up. But the only problem is you have to have an outlet, or else your stuff is going to be hanging off like that from the outlet. So the only downfall was the charger. So if they had made this charger a little bit longer and give me an extra headpiece, I would have no problem. But that's the thing that goes around. There's a lot of companies don't give you the headpiece because they assume you could plug this in anywhere. Now, if you're old school or if you have old outlets, you don't have this part right here. You have the plug-in part, which means you have to buy a plug to use this. So I'm not a fan when a company does that. I know they do it because they try to save money or something, but not a fan of that, because if you're going to be paying the money, you want everything to be complete. You know what I mean? But beside that, the price is good, the quality is good, and it mixes real good. Man, whoo, listen, mutant protein mix really good and easy and fast, but this blender, it tastes better. If you never try a protein mixer, I'm telling you guys, give it a shot. It mixes your protein, your creatine, your amino, your pre-workout. It mixes everything better. So check in the description box, get your hand on this protein mixer. And if you want to get us a good protein, I'm going to leave the link with a 20% discount code. If any company is watching right now and you want to get your product review and test it, honest review, I'm telling you, I don't sugarcoat stuff. So if you want to get honest review, email me below. I would definitely want to get into more product review and showing people good quality of product to use. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. 100% free, and we got more videos. Any question, comment below.